Ever feel lost when it comes to car maintenance? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will break down the essentials so you can keep your car happy and healthy for years to come. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. The importance of regular maintenance. Ignoring car maintenance is like ignoring your own health. Small problems can quickly turn into expensive disasters. Regular checkups and preventative care save you money and keep you safe on the road. Think of it as an investment in your car's longevity. A well-maintained car holds its value better and is more reliable. Plus, you'll avoid those dreaded roadside breakdowns. Essential fluids. The lifeblood of your car. Your car relies on several crucial fluids to function properly. These fluids lubricate, cool, and clean vital components. Checking and changing them regularly is key. Oil is the most important. It lubricates the engine, reducing friction and preventing wear. Check your oil level monthly and change it according to your manufacturer's recommendations. Coolant prevents your engine from overheating. Check the coolant level in the reservoir and top it off as needed. Brake fluid is essential for safe stopping. Have it checked and flushed periodically. Power steering fluid helps you steer with ease. Low fluid can make steering difficult. Windshield washer fluid keeps your windshield clean for optimal visibility. Tire care, rolling along safely. Your tires are your car's connection to the road. Proper tire care is crucial for safety and performance. Check your tire pressure monthly using a tire pressure gauge. Inflate your tires to the recommended pressure listed in your owner's manual or on the sticker inside your driver's side door. Rotate your tires every 6,000, 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Inspect your tires regularly for signs of wear and tear, such as bulges, cracks, or uneven tread. Replace your tires when the tread depth reaches the minimum legal limit. Brakes, stopping power you can rely on. Your brakes are arguably the most important safety system in your car. Listen for squealing or grinding noises when braking. These are signs that your brake pads may need replacing. Have your brakes inspected regularly by a qualified mechanic. They can check the brake pads, rotors, and brake lines for wear and damage. Replace worn brake components promptly. Filters, keeping things clean. Your car has several filters that keep out dirt and debris. These filters need to be replaced periodically to maintain optimal performance. The air filter prevents dirt and dust from entering the engine. The cabin air filter cleans the air inside the car, improving air quality. The fuel filter prevents contaminants from entering the fuel system. Replace these filters according to your manufacturer's recommendations. Simple checks you can do yourself. You don't need to be a mechanic to perform some basic car maintenance tasks. Checking your fluid levels, tire pressure, and lights are all easy things you can do at home. Refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions on how to perform these checks. A little bit of preventative maintenance can go a long way in keeping your car running smoothly. Now you have a solid foundation in car maintenance. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly and safely for years to come. Don't wait until something breaks down. Take proactive steps to care for your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below and let us know what other car maintenance topics you'd like us to cover. And if you're ready to take your car maintenance skills to the next level, check out the links in the description for recommended tools and resources. Happy driving!